Hey, welcome to my Leadono review. I am Tufan from tufanblog.com. Leadono review. If you are looking to software that capture lead, make generate a button and links to send your traffic, so this software might be help your work. This software has extra features that it's only take leads to verified email. So you know that everyone collect email because money in the list, but people when take something, so he or she put fake email or not use email he or she put. But in this software, it's help to generate real users email ID from Facebook, Twitter, even Amazon. So if this is interesting for you, so stick with me. So before I will give you full demo of Lidano, I will give you some extra bonus with this software that is absolutely free. Who those buy this software through my link in the given description in this YouTube video. So before I give you full demo, so I will show my latest bonuses. My first bonus is unlimited traffic mantra. I know that this software generate social traffic, but only social traffic not enough. This bonus help you to generate unlimited traffic to lots of traffic source. This is my first bonus. My second bonus is Ledono 10k a month online. This bonus help you to generate 10k a month approx. So a case study you will show step by step how you can also make 10k a month. My third bonus is commission blueprint. This bonus help you to generate many different way how you generate commission, many different way, not the single way. My fourth bonus is um, 2000 in 20 minutes with Facebook group. So in this bonus you will know how you can also make 2000 in 20 minutes in same in Facebook group. My fifth bonus is all vendor bonus. I will show you later, and also I will give you 40 done for you email sequence. You can use this email sequence to this Lidono software. My sixth bonus is a cool strategy of traffic generation, another way to generate traffic. My seventh, my traffic marketing tips. So in this bonus I will show you how I email marketing, all those things. Seven deadly signs of email marketing. So this bonus will help you to get more lead and common mistake to avoid in email marketing. So this software will collect email, then you definitely campaign your email. So this will help you. So my last bonus is send bulk email using free Gmail. So how you can send bulk email, not email 10, 50 or 500, even 1000, 2000, 3000 in single click, and all straight go in their email inbox. And also I will give you some extra bonuses in free bonus section. You will get one of these bonuses. There is plugin bonus, general bonus, and theme bonus. In plugin bonus section, you will get lots of real plugin. Just feel when you time, feel free to check out my blog page. You will know what type of bonuses. Theme bonuses, all premium theme I will give you. All premium theme, there is I think 19 theme, no, 13 theme I will give you. But remember, I will give you only one category of this bonus and my past bonus also. I show you past bonus. So when click any of this yellow button or get access button, you will buy Lidono from my link. So I will give you all bonus absolutely free. So back to Lidono demo. In the dashboard, Lidono has many option. Campaign has you can create your campaign two-way, new campaign or create a link. So this is my past created campaign. So new campaign, just click new campaign. Campaign name, text is your keyword. Description, uh, fallback link. This link, you put your fallback link. This link will be your pop-up link when any visitor exit to your landing page, then show a pop-up. This put the link here, and you can attach pixel and GDPR. Just create campaign. Just simple, 1 or 2 click, make a campaign full ready. Links, see this type of links you can generate. You can share Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, even Amazon. You can show your impression here, clicks here. In the left section, analytics. Analytics will show total leads, total links, pop-up, email sent, how many emails sent, total analytics dashboard here. Setup section, you definitely integrate your well-known autoresponder. Just name few of them. Get response, over, and many of email send software. You can integrate social app like Facebook, Twitter, anything. And refer a friend. You can refer this. You can team access, refer to your team, and also training guide. This guide will help you everything, every single problem you face when use Lidono. So you can see the demo and tutorial, all type of things here. How to create button, links, reminder, refer friend, campaigns, all everything in detailed. How to set up autoresponder, active campaign everywhere, drip, all type of demo given here. And how to contact the provider Lidono. Okay, so now we talk about the pricing. The pricing will be Lidono is $27 only. Front end, this is the front end price. It also has 4 OTO or upgrade. OTO number 1, Lidono Pro, Price will be 31 to 37. Lenovo Luxury price will be 67. Lenovo Platinum price will be 37 per month or 97 per year. Or Lenovo White Label is 197 or 297. White Label means you also sell this Lenovo White Label. You can fix your price also. So this is if this is interesting, so please the first link in the given below, and see my blog page, read all the queries you have and buy from my link. So I will give you all my premium bonuses absolutely free. Just buy from my link, and in the dashboard section, buy from my link, and just after buying you just put send me an email to this address, the Tufan blog at the rate gmail.com, or bonus at the rate tufanblog.com, or send me a Facebook message. I will give you instantly all bonus access. So if you have any question of my video, feel free to comment below. I will give you reply when I see the your comments. If you like my video, please press the like button and smash the like button and press the subscribe. Thank you.